Hello, Tech Buzz. As promised, back with the Pixel 10a official case and in fog colour. So, nothing special. Just get your box with 10 pixel on the back. And that's basically it. Hello, Tech Buzz. As promised, back with the Pixel 10a official case and in fog colour. So, nothing special. Just get your box with 10 pixel on the back. And that's basically it. Inside, you've got pixel, length 157.9, width 77, height 11.8, and 22.6 grams, silicone and polycarbonate. Little bit flexible, soft on the edges, hole on top there, buttons here, parts on the bottom, all that stuff here, and you'll cut out for the camera area that no longer has a little bump on it now. 75% recycled plastic as well, 100% plastic free shipping, drop tested for hundreds of hours, stain resistant as well, and it's supposed to stand the test of time, so we'll find out in a couple of months after using it out. That's it on the phone. Matches really well. The camera area is recessed, as you can see. Ports down on the bottom, and on the side you can see the keys. Let's check them out. Nice and tactile. All work. There is a small lip on the front, as you can see, all the way around there. Pretty nice, and you've got the Google logo here with the silver effect inside, which won't fall off anytime soon. Does add a little bit of grip and looks nice, complements the phone really well. As you can see, there's a nice lip going around the front, keeping it safe, and that's what we want to see. And we've got wireless charging. Charging away there, so just do that again, pull it away, pull it back. You can hear the charging now, and that's pretty much it on the case. Case isn't got MagSafe in it, but nonetheless it's a nice case to start off with, and then you can look for third-party options later on as time goes on. We'll have some in, so stay tuned for that as usual with all our Pixel stuff. We always got lots of cases to check out. Reviews for them coming soon, and that's pretty much it there for the time being for the latest Pixel case for the Pixel 10a in the fog colour, matching with the fog case. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.